welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. Today I have something I wanted to share with you. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm super excited. Some of you may have participated in the contest over on Princess Ninja and Keto for the Midsize Youtubers. I know there was a lot of controversy that she didn't let the smaller YouTube channels participate, but I have to say I really appreciated her ingenuity and her thoughtfulness, because when I was a small YouTuber, I actually never got to be recognized either. And now as a mid-size YouTuber, I feel like I don't really fit in the community with the small YouTubers. So it was nice to be recognized that way. And I'm super excited because today I have my box from Princess Ninja and Keto. And I am going to do an unboxing for you guys of my exciting prize. I was so grateful to those of you who nominated me. I had no idea that it was like a vote type thing, and I kept telling people to nominate other people, and so it was really exciting where I didn't even tell my followers to vote for me. I didn't realize it was a vote type thing, and it was still fun to win a prize regardless of the fact that I didn't actually know how it worked. So anyway, also pardon my kids are all around, and I have told them a million times to be quiet, but Jasper is 3 and he doesn't understand. So let's see. So the first thing in here is a cute little thank you card. Look at the glitter. So cute.
Cute.
And let's see. Aww. That is so sweet. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Melanie. I'm not going to read it out loud, but it was very, very sweet. And it has like a little, some little asking God to notes that I can put my little things that I'm asking God for blessings in my life to help manifest them and put them up around my house or whatever. I think that's what what it's for. At least that's what I'm going to use it for. Don't tell me what to do with my stuff, girlie. That's Ruby for you. All right, so let's see. Ooh, I actually have not tried these sweet leaf water drops that Melanie keeps talking about. I am one of those who is blessed to be able to use sucralose, and so in all of my yogurts and drinks and things, I use Mio water enhancer, which has been quite popular amongst my followers and my subscribers. But Melanie has a hard time with sucralose, and she has had great success with these water drops. And I love peach mango, so I'm gonna have to do like a comparison of these with the peach mango, which I happen to have on hand, Mio, and see which one wins. But I'm really excited to try a new product that I hadn't tried before. Second thing in here is Zip Fizz. Woohoo! Zip Fizz is great for if you need a potassium boost. It also has some good caffeine in it and some B vitamins, so it's a really great little drink. I actually drink these every once in a while. I've had a hard time with the potassium kind of causing chest pain in me, but then I had one recently and it was okay, so I'm not sure. I think I will still be able to eat this. So I'm going to try that. What else do we have? This is the only one I'm not going to be able to use, and I probably should have told Melanie to give it to somebody else. Because I'm a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, we don't partake in coffee, and so I can't try this. But I do have friends who do drink coffee, and I will be sure to pass this along to someone who will enjoy it. Right. This one I'm so excited about. When Melanie showed it on her channel, I was like, are you kidding me? So these are those regular like Wisps types cheese crisps, but they're chili lime flavor. You guys know how much I love chili lime. So I am very, very excited about that. They say high fat on them, but honestly, they really aren't that high fat. They're just like regular cheese in my opinion. 13 grams of fat and 9 grams of protein in 7 crisps. That's a pretty good fat to protein ratio. I mean, it's not the best when you're trying to lose fat off your body, but it's not bad. It definitely has a place in fat loss keto. This one, my hubby is probably going to be the most interested to try. These are those pilly nuts. We've had the pilly nuts, I don't know how you pronounce it. The ones that are soft, that are like in the, I don't know, we found them soft, and they just were not my thing. These ones are like hard. So I'm kind of wondering if they're more like a corn nut type consistency or whatever. they're really awesome because they're practically zero carb because they're like all fiber. They're like the coolest things. Anyway, with my braces, I'm not sure I'll be able to eat them or not. I might try, but I'm sure Chef Dave will get a chance to try these and he'll be happy about that. Let's see.
You heard about that.
All of these awesome meat sticks I'm actually really excited about. It's really hard to find a good quality meat stick. These ones especially, they're pretty good. Well, they've got 10 fat and 6 protein. So for me, not the best for fat loss keto, but for an occasional snack, not too bad. So that's why they have it that way, because they've got the perfect keto caloric ratios on there. And we know, if you know me and you know my channel, or if you don't, now you do, I don't really follow these ratios. I do a higher protein. So it's more like I do about 55% fat, 39% protein, and 6% carbs. Is that kind of what mine falls at if I hit them all correctly? But I'm still looking forward to having these, especially for days when I'm going to be out. In a week or two, I am going to be photographing like a bunch of Old West photos all day, and I don't usually have anything that I can eat for snacks, and this might be something that I take to like get through the day of photography, because when I'm doing stuff like that, I eat higher fat just to get through. Ooh, there's another Zip Fizz in here. Ooh, what flavor is this one? Fruit punch. I don't think I've ever tried fruit punch. Ooh, maybe I'll have that today. This one makes me laugh. Fast absorbing body cream, but it's called Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Isn't that cute? I will use it. I live in the desert in Utah, and my skin is so dry. I'm curious to try this and see if it's any good for my dry Utah skin. Oh, looks like I have a couple. Oh, no, that's another coffee. Another coffee. And this one is just going to be just for treatsies, okay? So the content on this is 22 grams of fat and only 2 protein. So it does not fit with my fat loss keto protocol. But I might take it to the movies sometime and try it. I don't know. You never know. Just says macadamia nut butter. So just plain old macadamia. I don't know. I'm curious about it. It just it says it has nuts, macadamia nuts and salt, and that's literally the only thing in here. So that's interesting. 4 grams of carbs, but 3 grams of fiber. So only 1 gram of carb for the whole thing. I just wish it had some more protein. It's like they took all the protein out. There's only 2. So for me, that's like 20 grams of fat for nothing. Like 2 protein and 22 grams of fat is like. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not going to try it right now because I'm on fat loss macros today, but I'm probably going to try these. And the last thing in the box is actually my favorite thing in the box. I am kind of a face mask snob. I have tried so many face masks. Actually had one that I really, really loved that I used to use every time, and then Walmart stopped carrying it altogether, and I haven't even been able to find it online. It's like the company stopped making it. So I'm really excited to try this rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. This is going to be for next Friday when I'm having my me time. Every Friday I have a bath, ignore the kids for a few hours, and I use a face mask and relax. It's so nice.
Really?
So yeah, you didn't even know.
No.
You didn't even know. Well, now you know, kid. Now you know.
That's why you had us buy you face masks.
Yeah, I like face masks. They're awesome. So anyway, that is all of the things in my winning box, and I'm super excited about this contest. And I am just going to try one of these chili lime because I haven't eaten yet, and I'm about to eat my first meal. So I think I'm just going to try one and see if it's awesome, because I'm really hoping it's awesome. I found this other product someone told me about that they sell at Costco that are these like shiitake mushrooms that are dried out, and then they have like some kind of seasoning on them, like garlic and onion or something. They taste seriously like a Funyun, and they're crispy like a chip. Oh my gosh, best thing ever. But I don't have any of those because we don't have a Costco membership, and I thought that was really mean of you to share that with me, and now I can't get more. But you guys, if you have a Costco membership, you should check them out. All right, here it goes. I hope it's not too spicy. Oh, it's very crispy. I can taste the lime more than the chili. I definitely still taste cheddar. Oh, there's the heat, a little bit in the back of my throat. It could be a little less limey. For chili lime, it's not bad, but it could be a little less, I think, lime. But yeah, I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Melanie. And if any of you haven't had a chance to get over there, I'm going to go ahead and link her channel here. It was really sweet of her to think of us mid-sized YouTubers who kind of get overlooked. We're not like in the place where we're, you know, big YouTubers yet, and we're not rolling in all the big bucks and having all that stuff happening for us. But we don't really fit as well in the smaller YouTube community because now we're kind of like, you know, we're unreachable more. People feel like we're talking to us. It's a strange place to be. It's a very strange place to be. And since I've got you here, one more reminder. We are having a keto meetup in Disney Springs in August. It will be on August 19th, Monday night. So if you want to be kept in the loop on all the information about getting together with us over in Orlando, Melanie will be there. Amanda from Our Life the Keto Way will be there. Awesome Karen Rothwell, who is our #1 supporter, will also be there. And hopefully you will be there. So let me know. Email me at ketochaos@gmail.com and I will keep you in the loop. Be sure to put Orlando meetup in the subject so that I can easily keep track of everybody. And we will keep you updated on all of the plans for our Orlando trip. We're super excited. Okay, so I'm about to try the peach mango sweet leaf drops in my Valle Greek yogurt. The weirdest thing about it is that it has no coloring. So it feels like you're eating like the plain yogurt. And also, like, it's hard to tell if it's mixed in well because without the coloring, it's like hard to tell. You have to mix it really well. So that's my first insight on it. I definitely prefer it with the color so that I can know for sure. But let's see what it tastes like. Well, it's definitely a lot more tart than the Mio. Mio is a little bit sweeter. This is a lot more on the tart side. I mean, it's so tart it's making my mouth water. Woo! It's like really, I don't know. It doesn't really temper the Greek yogurt tartness enough that it's my favorite thing in the planet, but it's not bad. I could eat it. And also, I'm going to try the Fruit Punch Zip Fizz. I've never tried this flavor. We'll see how that goes down. That's actually not bad. That's just enough tart. That's actually really pretty good. That's probably my favorite so far, I think. I really like grape, but this is good. Fruit Punch. Woo! Peach mango water drops. Okay. Also, I tried the pili nuts and I realized that I was thinking of lupini beans when I was talking about them before. The pili nuts were actually really soft and I was able to eat them. Dave and I already split it. They're gone. They were okay. They weren't like horrible. They were great with my braces because they were soft. They could have used a little bit more salt, I think, flavor with them. I don't know. But all in all, not the worst thing I've ever tried. I think I'm going to save the other things for another day, for maybe a movie trip, or for, like I said, my photo shoot. But I just thought I'd come on here and give you a review of some of the products that I received. So, woohoo! Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. We'll talk to you again soon.